Hi everyone, I'm Angie St. Gemme and I am with Keller Williams Realty in Owasso, Oklahoma, and I wanted to spend a little bit of time showing you today how to make chicken pockets. So this is probably the most requested item I get as far as a baby being delivered or somebody being sick. This is everybody's favorite meal that they love to have me make for them, so I just thought I would share with you how to make that meal. So the first thing that I did is I have a pressure cooker, and I went ahead and cooked chicken ahead of time so that it's ready to go. And what we're going to do is take, after you've already bled it, you want to make sure you can take the chicken, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it through the strainer. After I strain it, I'm going to put it back in the pot. Great thing about an Instapot is you can do everything right in there and you don't have to worry about scratching the bottom of the pot or doing anything like that. So that's super, super wonderful. To that, I'm going to add cream of chicken soup. Can of cream of chicken soup. And this is 2 chicken breasts in this one, so. So, a can of cream of chicken soup. Stir it up. Then I'm going to add cheese. And the cheese just kind of depends. And your type of cheese depends. If I want it a little bit spicier, I put in pepper jack cheese. If I want it a little less spicy, I just put in Colby Jack cheese or something along those lines and stir it up so that it kind of gets to a little bit of a thick mixture, because you want to be able to put it on the inside of the pockets whenever you're done. So. A little bit more. And to the chicken, I just put 2 chicken breasts in here, and I added about 2 cups of water, and I steamed it for about 35 minutes, 45 minutes, and it was, or pressure cooked it for about 45 minutes. Sometimes, if I'm making for a big crowd, I will put chicken in the crock pot and just leave it sit with chicken breast overnight. So. Next, I'm going to pull out the crescent rolls. So I'm kind of partial to Pillsbury. Everybody else can use whatever they want. They just seem to do well for me. So what I'm going to do is open them up and take the opportunity to take my aggression out, because you get to slam it against the counter. Just like that. And when you open it up, it's going to be in a roll like this. So you're going to take this, and half a roll will make 2 chicken pockets. So what you normally have is 2 triangles, but those will make a rectangle like this. You take that rectangle, and I like to personally use a ice cream scoop, because I just know that it gets the same amount of stuffing in each one. So if I do that, then I can just put it in here, and I might add just a little bit more, and the ice cream scoop just depends. If I'm doing these and I want to make an appetizer size style, I will buy the crescent roll dough and put it in there. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but again, so we'll just take the roll like this, I'll add the filling like that. And the great thing about these is they don't have to be perfect, because whenever the roll bakes up, it makes it nice and fluffy and just works super well together. But this is a quick, easy dinner. My family loved it and loves to have green beans and a salad, and it's ready to go. Sometimes I will make the mixture, and you can just add it to spaghetti noodles or for like a chicken pasta. So super easy to do, and again, just something easy to have leftovers and other things. So now, after I finish these, I will put these in the oven, and they will go for 10 to 15 minutes, or really just until they're golden brown. So just depends. I always put something on parchment paper. I feel like it makes the bottom and the top cook well together. So, all right, I'm going to take this to the oven. And if I'm cooking in a convection bake oven, I'm going to want it on 325. If I'm cooking in a regular oven, I'm going to want it on 350. I threw some in ahead of time, just so everybody would know what they look like. Chicken pockets. And when you cut into them, super light and fluffy. Hot. And that's what you get. Thanks for coming online with me today, and I hope that you enjoy the recipe and that you'll make chicken pockets for your family. Have a great day.